The Brother Mitch Love Network presents Duluth's Alternative Society, Episode 5, The Dinner Bell. Welcome to a Tall Man and Hobbit production.
Hey guys. Y'all heading out?
What's up? Right now, all I got is prayer ones.
You just heading? No, unfortunately, you can't be the bus stop either. Definitely.
I'm gonna take the skywalk over.
You can just take the skywalk.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah,
As long as you're just passing through.
Yeah, I'm just passing through.
Yep, you got it.
And this stuff. Hey, security. Security.
No, we're just getting warm. We just gotta get warm. We're leaving right now.
What's your last name? Isaac?
M-C-I-S-A-A.
Okay. So you sure you don't have any type of photo ID?
No, my guy, that's the one last night. You guys arrested me a couple days ago. I had
Stand by for a second. I can understand that.
Your phone is ringing.
That's not me.
Oh,
Okay. Is it just John?
I don't know whose phone is ringing.
J-O-H-N?
Down there.
And how do you spell your last name?
M-C-I-S-A-A.
Okay. AAC, what's your birthday? March 27. Okay. Okay.
Did have one.
Three six is coming, right?
I think so.
Okay, one. My science column here?
Gotcha.
Yes. So I'll just go run him in the car, so.
Sounds good.
I will be right. You sit tight, I'll be right back.
Talk to Paulina really quick. Talk to Paulina really quick. She said come here. Oh, okay. Hey. How's it going? Yeah, it's 10.
10 coming out of the spot.
Yeah. Well,
Yep. Trying to get rid of all the trash that I got. That you picked up.
take your time.
Cause I don't know, I feel like you guys are gonna do something while you guys look at my name so fucking hard.
Just look at his name.
No, she's looking at my name. She said I can't.
Yeah.
So I have to put it in the going with you guys.
Not necessarily, he can't go anywhere either, but he's not going to be different.
I'm just preparing myself.
Gotcha, okay. Would there be a reason
Yeah,
why?
I don't know, so
you're saying it didn't work because of
I
the fact that you
y'all hate people that squash their warrants and all the time.
Yeah, that don't.
I don't want to fucking leave, if you guys do away with all my shit that's time, and I ain't doing it again.
I don't think I've ever.
That's fair.
No, somebody, not you guys personally, but your force.
No,
Your force, your label.
Yeah, I don't know, but I'm
Other
pretty good with faces.
Other
Oh, no,
ones-
those are up by the Walmart.
Yeah, other ones for property tax stuff, and then you only,
Maybe
no
not
one
here,
closes the,
but
yeah.
people just call them,
And you
so.
start over from scratch because it grew away.
I ain't doing it again, I can't afford it. I just got my backpack and my phone jack last night. I don't know how to go about that, and it's all under tape, so. I go to
Where it happened,
Garfield Apartments, in the back, go away, go to sleep.
were you staying in an apartment or actually in like the door?
No, I'm aware. I got kicked off the property, but they said I could come back since I was, compliant, and they didn't go further.
Gotcha, gotcha.
I just got made a back list.
Listen, I'm not letting you come back or not like trespass.
Yeah.
Whatever.
No, they haven't trespassed nothing yet.
Gotcha, okay. That's good, that's it.
Yeah,
Usually, once business people around here, just like trespass right away, don't give me a chance. Grab that door, Josh, we have a dog over here. Thank you. I figure if you're gonna stay warm, you might as well take advantage of it, right? Thanks.
I'm not from this area originally, I'm fucking cold.
I don't know what to do about the phone though. One thing that I search for my phone sounds like.
What kind of phone is it?
Mono G.
That is a little front.
Cold, cold.
They have gates or something on it, or? Yeah, we'll call it a gate.
Clear. Razor blades in there.
Like stone gates.
No, I've been trying to go into this for 2 years.
Yeah.
The whole.
Yeah, as soon as you know, you can cross over, there's a whole bunch of people kind of like getting in there.
Yeah, and all
They serve from 4 to 6.
Oh, that's it.
What's their 4 there?
I have it 45.
Might be downstairs, that's right. That might be why there's so many people upset.
Yeah, someone stole all my other shit. All that, all that.
When they get to the side of town, they didn't care how they didn't know.
My gloves, my ear gloves were stolen from me. I'm like,
Well, no, I get that, but that's just like such a small.
I started from scratch 18 times in the past 2 months.
Now you're going, you got very good. Yeah, I can't smoke, I don't know my mom.
I mean, why would you steal from me? You know what kind of people
We got by Walmart.
we were all poor as fuck out here on the street.
So
We had nothing going on.
Fucking out here shivering and I need.
You can't get a job because you gotta have a fucking place to get a job.
Use my possessions and I can't.
Yeah, but I don't like it. I've only used it twice. I do go to one center now, though. Yeah, that's better than good. Even though it's a little bit sounds good, though.
Yeah.
When we get upstairs. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, if they want to. But if the one center, I take one seriously.
Yeah, hopefully this new expansion will show
It's like the world's slowest elevator.
Yeah.
There it is, though. Very good.
Just get built up on top of it, or straight out.
We could probably call.
Space up there.
Right now they're going to
Oh,
Might we get through?
you want to go upstairs?
They were trying to get upstairs.
Yeah, I guess you can go.
Beautiful dog.
So I'm supposed to tell you the landlord that runs your parents' place wants you trespass tonight. Yeah, I think his name's Kurt. So don't go back, otherwise If he allows you in, if you call him ahead of time and say, hey, can I stop by, and he brings you from the door to the apartment, but you just can't like hang around in the apartment, I guess.
That makes sense. The difference between in the apartment and it's like sitting in the hallway.
So as long as you have the go ahead of time.
And when you come into the apartment, they get you your phone pass, so be smart about it.
That feels good now. I can put my phone in the pocket. I got nothing in there. It's warmer in my pocket than it is in here.
Plan on heading to one center right after this.
Yeah. One of them.
They will come up at 6 one day.
I've always gotten there late at night, so I never know exactly what's on the open.
I think it's 6.
6 p.m.
5:47.
Okay. Well, in that case, yeah, I'll probably head next to that one.
6 or 8?
Oh, 6. And they start having people
They make you stay at 8 o'clock.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah,
You go at
so
6,
long as
yeah,
it's-
they get there early.
Yep. Yeah, so I guess maybe get there at 6 and leave for a little bit, and come back, but not 8 o'clock. That makes sense.
That seems fair. Nothing good happens past 10.
That thing's bright. Holy shit. How many lumens is that one?
Snickers or a Milky Way?
No.
No, the original. Big apple.
No, it gets hot.
Oh, yeah?
I didn't know they made you Tootsie Rolls that big.
But I can go eat.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
I guess it's too
Just leave it open all day.
That's an empty little hole.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That one.
Tell Phil somebody left their lunch.
Oh, yeah. Left in such a hurry.
Yeah.
What's your name, dude? Yeah, you're not going to do it. So I don't have to worry about that. The reason that she's picking you out with everybody else is because you were shoplifting from the holiday center today or yesterday or whatever. Last night or drug place. So she's giving you a ticket for shoplifting and then you can leave. Okay? Did you guys want trespass or what was the deal?
Let's trespassing.
Okay. So they want to trespass you in this parking ramp. For 1 year. Yeah. So trespass in the parking ramp for 1 year, allowed 1824, 1 year today, right? So warning you to leave and not return. If you do so, you can get citation or you can get arrested for trespassing. You understand? All right. Thanks, Josh. We'll see you later. So that's Joshua Linke, Linke.
And can we have a case number with that?
Once we go inside, yeah, I'll grab it out of my
Okay,
car.
thanks.
Thank you.
If you want to grab that. Give me some. No, no, that's just.
You guys got those tablets, we need to get them on everything.
No, we don't. I wish we did. That'd be a nice little gift when we need it, but
I'm just waiting on it, this is perfect.
yeah, the jail is gonna close out only on like when people get released. So. If we need to wash your ass, I'll take it to jail.
I mean, if we were letting you go in there and come out.
Right, and then come back out again, yeah.
But, I'll probably want it now.
Your name actually have to open it?
It's, no, it doesn't supposed to have a acting time, Jesus.
It has to
Oh,
be
that's
your
right, it's on your driver's
license.
license.
Yeah,
No, I meant-
I had that on my deed, but they fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why it's weird. Yeah.
Okay,
So it is him, but not him.
But
Yeah.
working in your system is jail.
Sure. Okay, so I had to write you a citation for shoplifting this morning at Snyder's. There's that for you. Security there also wanted you trespassed from the holiday center for a year, which means you're being given a lawful order to leave, not return there for a period when you're at least cited or arrested.
Mm.
All right?
You don't have no bus drivers?
No, she ain't got
You never know who's gonna hear it.
it.
There's the Dr. Pepper from Snyder's.
Yeah, that's a good
That's
deal.
a good handy, all right.
Right now too.
Perfect. All right, there you go. Yeah.
Stay warm.
I'm trying to joke about it, right?
Yeah.
Why would you not?
What's Sean's last name?
Like Isaac.
Yep, thank you.
Yep.
That's a 420?
9.
920. Thank you.
John McIsaac. All right.
Thank you very much.
Be safe, bye, nice, thank you.
You guys take care. Stay safe. Thank you.